Big shifts are aligning in August 2025. And this message will exactly reveal what is unfolding in your life energetically in the month August. And this is just not a reading. This is a message meant for your soul. So take a pause, breathe in, and get centered in your heart. Because one of these piles holds the insight for your transformation which is coming now. I am Malini, a tarot life coach, Reiki healer, and a holistic trauma and energy guide. At Rahat, I help you heal from within, align with your truth, and reclaim your power. We have 3 piles here, pile 1, pile 2, and pile 3, and each pile holds a different message, a different frequency, a different reality your soul could be stepping into. So choose not with your eyes, but with your energy. You can pause and then choose a pile, and the timestamps are given in the description, but if you stay till the end, there is a collective message meant for each one of you, irrespective of which pile you choose. For those of you who chose pile number 1, we have the Justice, the Page of Pentacles, and the 8 of Wands. So the month of August is bringing in a lot of karmic clarity to you and a very fast-paced progress. You will finally get the results which you've been waiting for, and that would be very fair and just. Some kind of an opportunity would come to you, or you could be learning something new now, and all that was stagnant will now move forward with good speed. So the shift for you all for the month of August is all about truth, growth, progress, and that momentum that you've been waiting for. Coming to pile number 2, we have the Tower, the Knight of Wands, and the 6 of Pentacles. So this month will bring some sudden change that will shake up things for you. But this is clearing space for you to take those bold, passionate actions which are required. And you will definitely get support from some unexpected sources, some people, or somehow you will get the support. So for you, the shift is all about a breakdown leading to a breakthrough, where you take courageous steps and you get unexpected support and help. For those of you who've chosen pile number 3, we have the Strength, the 9 of Swords, and the 7 of Pentacles. So inner resilience and strength is the anchor for you for the month of August. And you are definitely coming out of some kind of anxiety and overthinking, where you choose patience and self-compassion. So you are in this journey where you're trusting yourself, trusting your inner strength, and trusting the timing of things happening for you. For you, the shift is all about aligning with your inner strength, your inner mental strength, and your healing, and also the trusting the timing. If you have stayed till now, then here is a collective message for you, meant for each one of you, irrespective of which pile you chose. We have the Wheel of Fortune, which is telling that the destiny, the timing is changing. Even if it feels slow, the universe is supporting you. And 2025, August 2025 is not random. This is a divinely scheduled upgrade. So stop doubting, start taking those decisions. You are right on time. Which pile did you choose? Do let me know in the comments. Like the video if it touched your spirit. Share it with someone who needs the guidance, and subscribe for weekly energetic updates. And if you're looking for a one-on-one tarot or healing session, the link is shared in the description. Until next time, remember, the shift is not coming, it has already begun. Happy August 2025.